Modern auditors, risk managers, and forensic analysts are facing increased challenges never faced before. Organizational data lakes are multiplying year on year as organizations grow. Reliance on these professionals increase continuously, and they evolve from the back office to rockstar status. Global connectivity invites global threats that must be protected against. Introducing Arbutus Analytics, modern solutions for modern challenges. With Arbutus Analytics, access all your data from SAP to Excel, explore, verify and prepare your data, engineered for power and analysis, systematically manage results, and create continuous monitoring solutions. Architected by the legendary pioneer Grant Brody. Enhance your career with Arbutus certifications. Let's take a closer look at Arbutus Analyzer, your personal key to the world of data analytics seen through the eyes of an assurance professional.
Hi everyone, I use Arbutus Analyzer on a daily basis to ask questions of big data. I get answers quickly, and I can drill back into my data without having to know how to write the filters. Analyzer does this for me through quick filters that allows me to ask questions, because after all I am the person that should be asking the questions. It allows me to ask complex questions and continue into my analytic until I get the answer that I need. I always thought creating a pivot from hundreds and millions of records is impossible. Not with Analyzer. Select your columns, select your rows, and select what you want to calculate, and your pivot is done as quickly and as easy as that. A click of a button, and there we see a graph of our underlying data table. I can change the graph, and let's go and have a look at one of my favorites, a bubble graph. This one doesn't look that good, so I'm going to change it to look better, and see there. Clearly I can see all of my data visualized, and by dragging across the bubbles I can see what's the totals in there. I can drill through back into my data, and from there I can go back to my graph. And let's look at another one. Why don't we look in this particular case at another one of my favorite, a word count. Visually display the text in your data to represent the data table. I told you Arbutus Analyzer is easy to use. Look at this smart search. It's a Google-like search that allows me to look for anything in any data table across millions of records. Do you, like me, always wished you could write a computer program or a script? Well, with Analyzer you are going to. Analyzer's workflow functionality allows us to click and drag functionality and utilize that functionality through a dialog box to create a script. And it's really as simple as this. I click and drag functionality that you use on a daily basis, add it to my workflow, and I save my workflow and use it over and over, and also share it with my colleagues. I've just become a programmer. By now you've seen you can access all your data. In Arbutus Analyzer you can ask complex questions of your data with a few clicks of the button. You can then automate those efforts into a workflow and use it later again. But what if you want to visualize your data in something like a Power BI application? I will connect it directly to Power BI and continue my analytics in Power BI. In Power BI, I will create highly advanced visualizations which I will then use in my audit report. And here I have it, directly from Arbutus, straight through Power BI into my audit report. It really is this easy, the way it should be.
Arbutus is so much more. With Arbutus Web Connect, access your data on your browser, from any device, from anywhere. Become a truly data-driven organization with Arbutus Results Manager. Manage your resources, manage your results, and take actions. Welcome to the future, and welcome to Arbutus. Arbutus, drive your analytics.